Hello everybody. Today in this video, I'm going to get you the details about our newly introduced parents package. First of all, let me clarify why the name parents package. If you are the kid grew up in 90s and if you felt that your parents are always devoid of computer education, by computer education we not only mean Facebook and WhatsApp, but various computer softwares to benefit themselves in a creative way. So basically this package is for every beginner who wants to start with computers. For any beginner, it is very important to understand how does the interface of operating system works. Because we the younger generation have experienced this many times that many of our parents refuse to learn computers because they feel operating the interfaces of various operating systems is a tedious task. So we have divided this package into 3 phases, so let us go through them one by one. In the first phase, we introduce guide to operate the operating systems. First phase includes introduction to Ubuntu, Mac OS X Lion, Windows 7 interface guide, Windows 8 interface guide, Windows 10 interface guide. After this first phase of learning, beginners are ready to dive in. By that I mean they are ready to learn the further phases. After this, the second phase is MS Office. Now that you have learned the OS interface, it's now the time to dig in. Here the courses available are MS Access, Excel, Front Page, Outlook, PowerPoint, Visio, Word, etc. Now these are some serious milestones for our parents or any beginner because they have wide range of applications. Let us see the benefits of MS Office phase. You can keep track of your daily expenses and make a list, tables, entries through Microsoft Excel. You can start typing jobs from work from home and you can even start earning money from it. You can start making presentations for any event to make your presence more appealing and more professional. Now, with the knowledge of operating system interfaces and MS Office, it is the time to move forward. It is the time to move to phase 3. In phase 3, you will learn Introduction to Internet, Basic HTML, Photoshop, AutoCAD, C programming, C++ programming, Java programming, and Tally ERP9 softwares. What are the benefits of third phase? You can learn programming and start teaching it to other kids. By that, I mean you can even set up your private tuition classes for coding. With technologies like HTML and Photoshop, you can start your own blog. You can even get a job in a decent company by learning Tally ERP 9.0 software that handles accounting, inventory management, tax management, etc. If you are a complete beginner or housewife or student or anyone who wants to set up concrete fundamentals in computer education through our step-by-step course guide designed by experts available in the languages of English and as well as Hindi, then you better make the decision today to take step closer to become smarter. Log on to our website right now.